November promo po tayo dito sa Montalban Rest House. If you book at least 7 packs, meron na kayong free tumbler bawat isa. So may video okay, may internet na 400 Mbps, may free parking, merong board and card games, guaranteed na tahimik at malinis, may mga small appliances, buong townhouse ang mabibook niyo po, 2 aircon bedrooms, functional ang kitchen, you can cook and grill, provide ang garbage bag, may fridge din tayo. Sa CR, meron tayong heater, shampoo, toilet paper. So, ito yung isang bedroom. So, ito yung isang kwarto. Merong folding bed na extra dyan. Pero meron tayong double deck at saka pull out. Meron siyang ding fan at aircon. Galaxy night lamp tayo. The other room, so 4 dito. At meron tayong mga LED lights. Ayan. You can book this on Airbnb. Maximum of 14 packs ang capacity ng buong bahay. Itong room naman na to ay maximum of 6 packs. Dalawang rooms ay 9 packs total. So, ito yung massage, etc.